Hey YouTube, Indoor Tech with another kodi tutorial. So seems to be a pretty good add-on here we're going to put on today. It's got a lot of live IPTV, movies, TV shows. If you like the video, please consider subscribing. Share it with your friends. Turn on notifications. Alright, let's get started. We'll start out with our settings. Go to System, Add-ons. Let's turn on Unknown Sources. Click Yes. Alright, we go back a screen. Our File Manager. Add Source. Click None. This is going to be our repo's URL. cypher.repo.org/repo/. Click OK. I'm going to back out the repo and just put in cypher, cypher. Click OK. Let's back out to our home screen. Let's go there. Back out to our home screen. Go click Add-ons. Your open file box. Install from zip file. Click Cypher. Your repository, Cypher's Locker 3.0.zip. See, it's installed in the upper right hand corner. Now we want to install from repository, Cypher's Locker, video add-ons, Cypher Media. Click Install. Either version's the same. Click OK. Give it a moment to install. There we go. Now just back all the way out to your kodi home screen. And there it is, Cypher Media. Click on it. I'll give you some update information there. Now we'll click back. Click Cypher Media again, and it should populate. We got movies, TV shows, live IPTV, holiday movies, comic book movies, Disney movies, anime, manga, documentaries. Alright. Seems to be a good working live IPTV. Swift IPTV. Come on down to US TV. Seems like it's working pretty good. We got Bravo, Cartoon Network, Discovery. Loads up pretty quick. There we go, guys. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Again, please consider subscribing. About 400 away from the 1,000. Thanks. Have a great day.